On the right side here you see the harder holder. This one I have ridden with for 2 years, over 15,000 kilometers. As you can see, it's dirty. If you look close enough, it's actually, since it's a prototype, this is made of yellow filament and then spray painted in silver, because I didn't have silver filament yet. The point being, this is a little harder, but still somewhat flexible, right? This is PETG, which is essentially the same plastic that a Coke bottle is made of. On the left side here you see the new material, which is TPU, which is a rubber of sorts, a harder rubber. You can see this is way more flexible. But yeah, you can do all kinds of stuff with it, and it still comes back to the original shape. I really pulled on it. I have not succeeded in breaking it. While I had a couple of customers that used excessive force while installing this and then managed to break it. That's the reason why I'm now testing the one on the left, the flexible one. I have not had really a chance to test it much. As of now, August 2026, I have ridden about a couple of 100 miles with it on my bike. Seems okay so far, but yeah, time will tell. I have both available in the shop for immediate shipment, and yeah, essentially you need to make the decision what you feel more comfortable with. Again, on the right side, the harder version, I have tested it for 2 years, 15,000 kilometers, no problems. On the left side, the much softer one, so far it seems fine. So I think these are both good options.